We are literally under the woods. Beautiful. It's beautiful. But yeah, there's a water under, so you must be careful. Yeah, no, that's not the way, Baya. Just follow me. That's not the way, that's steep. Oh, Baya, I'm low battery. So look at this. Oh, so beautiful. That's so beautiful. We go now?
Huh?
We go back.
No, I wanna be here.
You want to cross the road? You want to cross the river?
Yeah, it's so small.